So I'm thinking just as I go about life and what life is and whether there's any other life in the universe. And the first thing I'm thinking is that there is obviously other life in the universe. I don't see life as being some special, unique thing which only exists on Earth. I think that's a ridiculous idea. I think the size of the universe is obviously infinite, and the type of Earth-like planets that are out there must be in the millions or even billions. I don't know how to estimate numbers, but whatever the number is extremely large. There are a lot of Earth-like planets out there, and the thing is, life could take many forms and require many different environments, many different sorts of planet or whatever. So the point is that with the universe being infinite and the number of planets that are suitable on Earth-like type planets, the number of those is infinite as well. And the number of planets which have different properties but they're still capable of supporting some forms of life. All of it is so amazingly large, the numbers, that it's kind of impossible for life not to exist elsewhere. And the only issue is, are we ever likely to encounter these other forms of life? And it seems remote, the chance of ever encountering other forms of life. It just doesn't seem very likely. I think the issue is that the scales involved in the universe and the space in between all the items of rock, all of it is so incredible that we just can't possibly encounter other alien species in all likelihood. It would be tremendously lucky to ever encounter other life. But whether other life exists, I think is a given. I think that there is other life out there. And the issue is that we will likely never encounter this other forms of life. But whether these forms of life exist, I think is a given. Humanity is not special and unique. There are other forms of life out there for sure. And as I said, the issue is the distances involved means we might never meet them. In all probability, we won't meet them. But whether they exist, I think is a given that they exist. I think that's kind of obvious.